Tanggalin ang damit.
Pag i-undress natin si patient, kailangan unahin natin ang unaffected. And then, or strong. No? And then, next is the affected or the
Weak.
weak. Tapos ganito ka. One, two, three. Penny, maliligo ka ha. Lamig nanonood sa'yo, oh. Privacy. Okay lang yun?
Pag sinagot ka niyan, sir.
Lang? Sus.